Hey everyone, and welcome back. Over the last few lessons, we've built a full-stack chatbot, leveraged powerful tools like GitHub Copilot, Amazon Code Whisperer, and Cursor, and seen firsthand how AI can supercharge our coding. But now that you've got these tools in your belt, how do you use them effectively and professionally? In this lesson, we'll wrap up our series by exploring the best practices and pro tips for using AI in your coding workflow. By the end of this part, you'll know how to go beyond basic prompts and integrate AI into your daily work like a seasoned pro. Let's get started. Our first and most crucial best practice is the read, review, refine workflow. It's a three-step process. First, read the code and comments generated by the AI carefully. Don't assume it's perfect. Second, review it for correctness, security, and adherence to your project's style guide. And finally, refine it. This means making it your own, adding comments, and refactoring it for clarity and efficiency. This workflow ensures that you're in control, not the AI. Here's a pro tip that will change how you use AI assistants. Think of your code as a conversation. Use comments and doc strings to talk to the AI. For instance, instead of just saying, create a function, tell it, create a Python function to securely hash a user's password using the bcrypt library. The more context and specificity you provide, the better the AI's suggestions will be. This isn't just about getting code, it's about getting the right code. Another best practice is knowing when to use AI and when to code on your own. AI is excellent for boilerplate code, converting formats, and solving repetitive problems. But for complex novel logic or deeply custom components, sometimes it's faster and more effective to just write the code yourself. A good developer knows when to rely on a tool and when to rely on their own expertise. The goal is to be a better coder, not just a faster prompter. This is a rapidly evolving field, and there's one more crucial topic we haven't covered. In our next lesson, we'll discuss the future of AI in coding, ethical considerations, and next steps, where we'll explore responsible use, copyright issues, and the future of the developer role. This is a must-watch for anyone who wants to be prepared for what's next. Hope to see you in the next one. If you enjoyed this lesson, please hit the like button and share it with a friend. We'd love to read your thoughts in the comments below, and subscribing helps us keep making more content for you.